and we are in Belém. We went to the monastery, which is in this town. Now we're gonna go get nata, the custard tarts, at a very famous bakery here. Got our pastries. This bakery has been open since 1837. It's like so flaky. And then so soft. So delicious. Had to go for round 2. We're gonna try it with some cinnamon this time. It's day 3 in Lisbon. It's our last full day. We've come to the beach. We're in Cascais. We looked up on Google how to pronounce it. We're gonna find a place to set up camp and read and swim in the water and just enjoy our last day. What do you think this is? A hat? You need to read the book. it's a snake that has eaten an elephant.
What?
We're back at our Airbnb and we're just getting ready to go to the airport. We went to the Church of St. Rock. Church of the Rock. I didn't film anything in there, but I'll put some pictures. It's very ornate inside. Yeah, then we just kept walking around, exploring. Yeah, but it's time to go now. I will link the Airbnb that we stayed in. It was really nice and it was in a very hilly area, but it was still a good location. I'm so sad it's over. Okay, well thank you for watching and bye!